Welcome. Today in front of me Meizu M5s, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here we got the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the volume of your ringtone, swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we can make it by the second way. Just here on the right side of your device you got the two volume buttons, the up and down volume button, and just tap here to the button, and right there tap to the triangle icon, and here you got the ringtone volume panel. Just swipe by the same way this blue dot to the left or to the right side. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.